that's sweet. You get a baby kiss? Oh, what's wrong? Oh, you better give him a good smile. Smile at him. Tell him it's okay. Show him your star. Show him Elmo. Oh, turn it back on. And show him the star. He likes it. Show him again. Who is that, honey? Elmo. Is that Elmo? Can you give baby a kiss? Oh, that was nice. Thank you. He liked it. He liked the kisses. Yeah, show him the star. He likes it. Can you show him his horsey over there? Over that one right there. Oh, that one. A big horsey. How do you ride your horsey? Ride your horsey. What do you say on a horse? Yeehaw. Say yeehaw. Can you say yeehaw? Can you say yeehaw? What's your horsey say? Does it make noise still? No, not anymore. It needs batteries. Right. What do you say when you're on your horse? Nani, what do you say when you're on your horse? Yeah, it doesn't work. Can you say yeehaw? Hi. What you doing over here, Levi? Huh? You got your horsey? There you go. No? Yeah.